This is the lesson of the introduction to Veras, software that I'm using to generate the AI for my images. So remember that Veras Evolve company. Let's go through some of the basic understandings of how the software works and what can we learn from the usage of this plugin program that can work with different 3D programs. I use Rhino 3D, but you can use any program that you work with, SketchUp or any other program that is easy for you to manage. The plugin works with everyone. So what is so good about Veras, in my opinion? It is helping me in a very quick and simple way to generate amazing AI images. It has a very simple interface of the plugin, so it's really easy to understand and use. It has the top part, as you see here in number one, the top part of the plugin is making you understand where are you working. It's your workspace, so you compose or you edit or you explore the images that you have uploaded. Then you have the second area here, which you choose what kind of quality and character you wish to generate. Then you have the prompt area and the negative prompt as well, so you can write down what is it that the image should pay attention to, the AI needs to pay attention to, and what kind of texture materials or special needs that you have for your render. And then we have, as I understand it or call it, it's the editing tool in which we basically define the accuracy in which we wish the image to be integral with our sketch or our background image, or how far do we want to go? How crazy do we want to go with our generation of the AI? So we can choose if we want the geometry to be the same, if we want it to change, if we want the materials to be more or less the same as we have done here in our collage, or if we want to go all the way crazy with different materials. So we can be more accurate to the original or go all the way and cross the limits. As a summary, when we want to compose a new image, we go to the compose area on top, and then it gives us the limit of our project. We can change the boundaries of our project. We can move it and narrow it down if it's needed through these elements here. So we can change the width and the length. Once we just move it around, we will see that it narrows everything down and the image is smaller or bigger. We can choose a turbo nature if we want to enhance the natural effect of the environment. If we want to be atmospheric, so we bring in some nice effects and glowing and fog and whatever. So we can choose the quality, and then the prompt is very important. We will learn and see how to use the prompt and what to write for certain images, and then how to make things more accurate based on the background image, and if we want to go crazy or if we want to keep it as close as possible to the original.